Good evening, everybody. In the second part of Willie's Weather Channel, we're going to look at the visibility for the area and rain approaching Libertyville. We're going to talk about that. We have the continued forecast for October 6th, 2017. This is Willie's Weather Channel, live from Libertyville. And hello, everybody. We are live. As I just stated, it is getting significantly darker out here. I'm not sure the camera is really picking that up, but it's getting very dark out here. I can tell we're going to have pouring skies in just a little while, and we're going to be live for it here, broadcasting it live from Libertyville, Illinois. We are live on YouTube, and this is where it's all at. You have little Halloween decorations right here. The camera might be a little too high. But it is October 6th. I'm sorry about the frame issue there on the last startup frame there. Anyway, we're talking about downpours possible within the next hours or two, and we're going to be continuing to monitor that situation. Our viewers did want a visibility check, and I just got that in there in the little break we had, and I'm going to show that to you right now. And I just grabbed that here, and this is from WGN. Thank you so much for having that here. And you can see it is showing a 0.3 of a mile near the Waukegan area. So if you live in Lake County, there is significant visibility issues. And even in Bartlett, only 3 miles. O'Hare, 3 miles. But the rest of the area does seem to be okay, but most affected area right now is Waukegan and Lake County. So, that if you're in that area, just make sure you are cautious while driving. It is getting dark here. I'm not kidding. It is. I feel like the sky is going to fall in just a few seconds, so we're going to need to keep our eye on that. But we're going to stay live even if it does pour, because our camera's sheltered here, so we're all good. And put you back there. There we go. Anyway, as I said, we are continuing to monitor the situation on the weather patio here live on YouTube, and it is getting darker. Now, the fog has actually been reducing within the last 5 or 10 minutes, but it is still pretty significant going down. I'd say probably, I updated that like 5-10 minutes ago, probably like a half mile now for the Libertyville area. Still, that is, pretty bad here, so if you're driving, as I said, be careful doing that. And this rain is very much needed for us here in Libertyville and all in Lake County and pretty much all the Chicago area. So we're expecting 1 to 2 inches, so I hope you're happy with that. And we're going to take a look at some of the models we have here on the rainfall. This is, I actually showed this in my last segment, so if you've already been watching, this is not new information. Taking a look at the temperature, 63 in Waukegan, down in the city at 71. Does feel like that, same place, same temp, same feel like, regional temperatures. We're watching, as I said, this air mass down south, this warm, seasonably warm air. And then off to the west, you can see there's that frontal boundary just west of Des Moines and, kind of encompassing Minneapolis. The light green meets the dark green. That's where our cold front is. That encompasses all the rain, and that kind of shows on our Doppler radar here. Off to our northwest, you can see just west of La Crosse and by Mason City, and then Des Moines got cut off there, but as you can see, it's kind of on the left side of your screen. It's really on the edge there, but it is there. And our RPM model, we're going to bring this is starting tomorrow, but, I'm sure it'll loop around today. So that's 4 p.m. tomorrow. Here we go. Tonight, watching for some rain. It is going to come in our area. And into tomorrow, 1 a.m., you can see cloudy overnight. Rain starts up around daybreak, and you can see it will be heavy at times. And there will be breaks in the rain, but not many of them. You can see just endless clusters of rain that will be kind of falling through the area. Another model we have here. This is going a little fast. Somebody slowed that down. Good. And that brings it, alright, when we start this, is 6, 5 p.m., 7 p.m. You can see this model is a little high resolution, so it is bringing a lot of rain, maybe overstated, but as you can see, it is bringing rain. Both models are bringing it, and we're just waiting for the sky to fall here in Libertyville. Anyway, that's what's going on here. We're going to take a short break, got a few commercials coming your way, and then we're going to be back live. And hopefully it'll start raining and we can, actually have someone to talk about. But for right now, there's not a lot. Anyway, we're going to go to commercial and be back with you in just a second, guys.
If you've never tried a juicy, cheesy, iconic Big Mac, it's just right if you want to start smaller. The delicious Mac Jr., the Big Mac with a single patty and no middle bun. Now available for a limited time only.
Just cut the BS and get down to business.
I will call you up in your next life. Give me your hand. Stop running.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dan Abrams, and we are live.
Oh, man. We're not even going to play this game.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for taking that short commercial break. And we're back here live on Willie's Weather Channel, live from Libertyville on YouTube. So anything could happen on the air here. Right now, no rain anticipated for the next 5 or 10 minutes. So we're going to be taking a short break. Got to get the computer charged up. It's, going down a little bit. Anyway, we're going to be back live when the rain is falling. And lightning or not, we're going to be out here on the weather patio. Trust in Willie's Weather Channel, and we're going to be back here in just a minute. Have a great day, folks, and stay tuned.